Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So this has just arrived today. This is from Backyard Bullion, as you can tell. Now Backyard Bullion has started doing his own selling service. Now I think he charges £1 per ounce on silver, and I think it's £50 per ounce on gold. Now you'd have to double check that because I'm not sure if he's adjusted his prices now, because he has been inundated with silver. A hell of a lot of people have been sending him stuff to sell on their behalf just because it's such a great service. Now I got an email yesterday because I'm signed up to his mailing list, his selling mailing list, and I saw these coins on there. Really great price. Now these are American Silver Eagles. They're priced at £33 an ounce, which is very good. Most of you will know how high the premiums are on these American Silver Eagles at the moment. So really happy with that price. And I brought it from his website. He asked me to transfer the payment for the actual coins to the seller, directly to the seller's bank. And then I just transferred the payment for the postage to Backyard Bullion himself. And he posted them the same day and they've arrived the very next day. So extremely happy with this service. And I'm guessing the seller is as well, because he literally posted these on his website. I think it must have been a matter of an hour before I brought them after he posted them. So really quick service for the seller and quick service for me as the buyer as well. Now I didn't expect them all to come in their individual capsules, so that's a nice touch. And I think what's so good about when you buy coins using his service is he has a Sigma tester, and he tests these to make sure that they're real silver, or if it's gold, he checks that they're real gold. So it's not like buying from someone on eBay, or it's not even like buying from someone on the Silver Forum when you're actually buying directly from that person. You're buying from Backyard Bullion essentially, because the person that wanted to sell these has sent these to Backyard Bullion, and then he has done the checks, because at the end of the day it's Backyard Bullion's reputation that he wants to uphold and protect. So he's obviously, you can see the capsules have got a bit of like sticky like on them, so it's not actually the coins. Coins are fine, but yeah, like I was saying, Backyard Bullion's reputation is kind of on the line, because he's the person that's actually the one that's offering these for sale. So it's in his best interest to obviously check that they're all real silver, and that's what he does. So on his website it says that they've all been Sigma tested, they've all been checked that they are 100% authentic, and then he actually posts them off himself. So really good service. I really like the service. I like the fact that you know that it's the real deal, that these are quite older years. American Silver, 1995, got 1998, 1993, some really nice older years. 2013, bit of a newer one there. 1991, we've got, what have we got here? 2009, really nice selection. 1989, really nice. I'm not sure the first year that American Silver Eagles were released. Let me know in the comment section if you know. I'm sure it's got to be around 1987. So this might be one of the first years they were released. I'm interested to hear if you know in the comment section. 1994. So yeah, some really nice dates there. Really quick service. Like I said, I brought them yesterday. They've arrived today. So great price as well. £33 an ounce, which isn't bad at all for American Silver Eagles with how high the premiums are. So yeah, let me know what you think. These are just gorgeous looking coins. I've said it before, although I'm from the UK, I think American Silver Eagles beat the Britannia. So, and I've always said that. I've always loved the American Silver Eagle. So yeah, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.